Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka District Leprosy Society trong ka East Khasi Hills haka arpoitrik uluber arhaza apulai kala ajing Pynshai Paidbah Halor ka Jingpang Ñianglyngkut hadon Bosco Square laim khra bada khandai lat Shillong haka ni ka jing ajing Pynshai ka District Leprosy Society kala Pynshlo ki Paidbah ki badon ya ka ni ka Jingpang Ñianglyngkut makin wan shakhamat lingba ki ashak nang makin yo ki lat jing sumar bat bandi dawai klem da don kamban siu pisa AA
Swa ya unono bayo ikan ni Jingpang ki laju ki be na kasnong na kayeng kasem ke jongki rai menta ni pentip ba lengba kan awareness program ba ki bahiyeng hasem lada don kum kini ki brek bayo kan Jingpang bakin namting pat bakin kin song lang kin salang pat ba kabakongsan hi kalong balada kino ki ba yo jingtip spang kane kin sngobha ya kaban wan syahmat ban ai jitip cha ki doktor lane PSC CSC USC ki badan marjan bat kisnong ki baki kisong sa nang ban yo jing sumar ka bakloi bat napta kani ke Jingpang ka jing sumar kalong kapaya free of cost ka ba omdon jingnut namar pa ka society lengba district leprosy di officer pada kami ya kane ka Jingpang ni isu ni ai ki dawai nang ta ki wei pat ki super type medicine na ka bata ka jing yada jong unu lani kanu ka bayo ya ni ke Jingpang tok khndet ka bayo dei bat ki nongpang na ta dawai ila ban yo na district leprosy society kemudian hang dei polishmer bat ya bat pa khnang bakin sai nilai hapo jong ka department didan nadu ki asha ki badai ban lai ban kwi ban survey aman lagi kliwien ala ki jong kisnong ban kidong jong ki makata ya kan ya ban pentik na susu la u real ne ka breu bayo yang no Jingpang didan ro ki test possible bangile ban pentik na nak lau dei ni em bayo yang ni Jingpang Ñianglyngkut.
Regarding leprosy, which we also know as Hansen's disease, through this program we wanted to highlight about leprosy. As we know, this leprosy has been there for quite some time, but it is not completely eradicated from India too, as well as Meghalaya. We are a low burden state, but still as of now we still get cases. So we just want to let the people know that leprosy is completely curable and it comes free of cost. The medicines are free of cost from government institutes. So if anybody has got any type of patch, so they can just go to a nearest health center, government health center. It might be a private institute also, and once we know, they can get the medicines free of cost if it is leprosy. And through this to this program, we want to highlight that there should be no discrimination against leprosy, because it can happen to anybody anytime. Get the treatment as early as possible, because once the treatment is early, the chances of deformity and will be less, the chances of ulcers are less. So the earlier the treatment, the better. So I request anybody who is having any sort of skin patch, we usually call it hypopigmented skin patch, where there is loss of sensation, to go to the nearest health center and get himself or herself treated without any hesitation. Thank you.